The Freaks by Kamala depicts a loveless marriage. In this poem, the persona, most probably the poetess herself, gives expression to her feelings as she lies in bed with a lover, both waiting eagerly for the commencement of the sexual act and the gratification which this act would bring to both of them. While the poetess awaits the commencement of the sexual act as eagerly as the husband does, she experiences a certain degree of disgust with what is going to happen. She finds her husband to be rather slow in moving his fingers over her body in order to enjoy the sensation of his contact with her. He is not passionate enough or not skillful enough to be able to arouse in her a really intense or fervent desire for sexual gratification. She then realizes the fact which she has always known, that her marriage with this man had failed, and that even though they have lived together for a very long time, they have not really been able to achieve any conjugal happiness. She describes her heart as an empty tank of the kind which is fitted in toilets and lavatories, and which in the present case would be filled not with water but with coiling snakes of silence. What the poetess means to say here is that she and her husband hardly exchange a word when they perform the sexual act, and that her empty heart is therefore filled only with stinking silence comparable to coiling snakes which might sting a person. Finally, the poetess calls herself a freak or an abnormal kind of person who makes a show of being lustful in order that she may be regarded as a normal person.